class again. You made it to part 5! After all the confusion of the design, we went ahead to call the client, which should have cleared things up, but led to more confusion. And then we used the plans and the survey's historical information of the site and information from the street view, and we got more confused. But enough of me talking. Let's engineer something. So we're working on 1622 R Street, and it's a bit confusing. Are you guys removing the back of the lot and replacing it?
Are we removing the back?
Yeah, because the back of the building is more narrow than the survey. Like there shouldn't be areas on both sides to walk in. But there is on the survey, the plans that you guys shared. Maybe because the plot I have, the survey that I have has the complete overhang.
Okay. Can you please send an email so I can ask what's his name about?
Yeah, I'll ask. Yeah, I sent an email earlier. Yeah, I sent an email like 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours, like about 2 hours ago. Because
I'll follow up on it.
Yeah, because I wasn't. Yeah, we're not. We're trying to. I was trying to do like a lunch and learn, like a learning session with this project, and keeps stopping these small questions. Because I was doing the grading of the back of the lot, and also I was like, because we are removing the back of the lot. So GAR will only be required if you exceed 100% of the tax assessed value. You're not exceeding 1.3 million, are you? Okay. So I thought so. So GAR is not going to be required for this project. Because I was thinking because the thing is, like, if you are removing the back of the back of it, I feel like that's going to make this project a little more costly.
No, we're not doing that.
Okay. I will send the survey again as well. Just so they know that it's not. Yeah, because they're even showing the back of the lot as the building as new, and then the front is existing.
So on the 4th floor, we're adding onto it because it's not extended all the way on the 4th floor. So maybe that's what they're showing as new.
I'm only looking at the seller plan and I'm looking at the seller plan and the first floor.
Okay. So yeah, that's a good catch. Yeah, I'll follow up with them as soon as I can. You sent the email already?
Yeah, I sent the email. Yeah, but I'm gonna follow up and send more clarification to figure out what's happening. Because I think like that wasn't 2 hours ago, but now that we're getting like deeper into the project, I'm seeing a few more things. So I'm just gonna just send like an overall email of all the issues. Okay. Thank you.
Perfect.
Bye.
Another thing, what are we doing with Jamie? Is what you call it? The line big enough to service the sprinkler in the car?
Oh, we haven't gotten there yet. We were just still doing a site design. But I'll also give us another 30 minutes. We're going to stop doing the site design and we're going to go into the utility sizing. And then I'll let you know.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Bye.
All right.
Okay, so that will just be summarized in the email. So for now, we're going to stop on the site design because that's a bit confusing, but we're going to keep that back parking area. That shouldn't be changing. It's a different platform.
Yeah. So can you like zoom out a little bit? I just have a question.
Oh, I already closed out the other plan.
The expect.
Oh, this one. Okay, good.
Yeah. So, and at the end of the parking lot, you see the elevation there. Can you zoom in? Yeah, it's like around 35.82. I think we need to remove one of the
this one?
2 stairs. No. If you go down.
Oh, A2. Yeah. For sure. We're gonna have to remove at least. Yeah, this stair and this stair and this one we can just adjust it and make it a little bit more shallow.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But we're gonna have to or also we still have to go up another 2% or so to meet this elevation. But he said we're not narrowing it, so we're gonna leave. And also this is building and this is building. Let me see if Victor has pictures. This is building.
Yeah, this is building. I don't know. Doesn't show it's a building.
So this is the building. This is building. Oh, this area and this area is seeming that they're cutting into both these sides right here. So it's not like it's fine that it goes all the way here. It's probably like an overhang here. But it keeps going past this area.
I honestly thought the second, third floor, like the floors, are more extended than like the first floor, so that's why this area is not part of the like ground footprint, like the building on the footprint. That's what I thought.
Yeah, let me see review. I think the thing that's like more so confusing is this wall report. Showing that the wall goes yeah, that there is a wall that goes to the ground.
To the ground.
Yeah. Okay. So it's about so this is 7.8. And that was only like 7 years. That was only like 7 years ago, 2018, when this wall report was made. So it shouldn't be too much different. Let me look at the survey.
Oh, we can actually do street view or with Google Maps and see how the building looks like right now.
Yeah. Hopefully they have an image from the alley.
Yeah, I'll check this now.
Darn. Whatever. Okay, layers. Okay, just how these inspected.
Oh. Here's the start.
So yeah, there's no.
Yeah, if you click on the street, like in walking view, here, it will show you also. Yeah, it's.
Oh, we can't see it because this building's kind of blocking it.
And you can walk to the right.
And this is it.
This is it, right?
Maybe. Actually, no, this is it because that's that wall that we just saw on here. There's the wall. And yeah, that's a wall, right? Yeah, that's the wall. So that's a wall. And that's a wooden fence. So this is it. So it does have windows on this side. And it has, so that's what Victor is showing, those, that it does have an egress here. It's just how far does that egress go? I think they have it going further in. So this goes, yeah, they have it going further in.
Oh, and the stairs are inside? They're not external?
I think they just either, I don't feel like we drew it wrong. But it seems as if, because maybe the person that they had measured it, probably over measured. But let me double check one more place before I send out a mass email. 'Cause we don't want to be too wrong. Just yelling crazy stuff. 38. That's 35, 45. Okay, I'm not an expecter about this. God, doesn't make sense. Who are you? Okay, so that aligns better. That's about 45. Okay, so 45 makes more sense. This is something else. 38. And 45 is up to the wall. Okay, so 45 up to the wall. That's what it is. I mean, look at. Okay, so the 45 makes sense because it goes up to this wall and this wall. But them going deeper, that means, yeah, I think they just under measured. I think they made a mistake and under measured. So it should be, the wall should actually stop here. Really, on both sides. So we'll let the architect know that. And so like, let's go ahead and just, we know where we stop. We're stopping, just doing the grading here. Let's just go ahead and grade up to this wall. So we're gonna grade up to this wall and it's grade up to here. And then we may have to later on revise this grading as well. And add more steps, really, so that we can, because we have to remove some of these steps here.
Why are you removing some of the steps here?
Because it only goes up to this wall.
Oh, yeah.
So if it only goes up to this wall, and I think they probably oversized it and it actually stops here. Yeah, that means that's gonna have to be revised.
Oh no. Okay, so do we wait until they reply first?
Yeah, we'll wait. So we'll stop. I was gonna just grade up to this wall, but yeah, we'll just stop the grading. For now, let's go ahead and quickly. It shouldn't take as much time because I'm just gonna do this really quickly. But we're not doing profiles today. I spent a lot of time with the grading.
No, the grading session instead of profile.
Look, quickly.
Also,
what?
yeah.
Quickly. So there's water, sewer, gas. Here, you will have these. When water.
I removed them in the demolition plan. I abandoned them.
Okay, awesome. Just so you know, there's per DC water. Okay, you didn't demo them. That's fine.
Oh no, I didn't demo them here. I mean the plan. Yeah.
So these per DC water, when you draw these in, they should be about 3 feet apart from each other minimum. And outside, so you will see the MEP plans. They'll show them close to each other, leaving the building. But once it leaves the building, once it leaves the building, it needs to be it crosses property line. DC water wants them 3 feet apart from each other.
3.5 feet inches or
3 feet. Yeah, 3 feet apart minimum. So you don't have a design folder. So I think you didn't start tackling that yet with Patrick. Let's usually just copy the design folder. A lot of stuff. Most likely we'll just remove or delete. Okay, so quickly, I'm just gonna teach you how to fill in this MSW. Only DC Water has this this MSW. Other agencies like Florida, for example, they give you a calculation to figure it out. But DC has this their Pacific standards that they want you to use, which is pretty good. So 1622, wait. Orange Street. 557. Sometimes the MEP will disagree with the numbers, and then this is a flush tank. We usually use those flushometers. Those are a little bit of a more expensive system. So here we did get the plumbing progress that I did send to Patrick on the 25th. This was not saved, so we'll go ahead and save this now. Okay, tune in next week. The video next week will walk you through a little bit about how to size service lines in DC. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.